Canon usually plays its cards close to the chest, but this time the leaks are coming in faster than the company can control them. Multiple sources are now pointing to a full-frame update that could reshape Canon's entire entry-level lineup, and the camera at the center of it all is a Canon R8 Mark II. What's leaking out isn't just a spec bump either. It's a mix of sensor changes, autofocus upgrades, and a design shift nobody really expected. So stick around, because by the end of this, you'll understand exactly why so many photographers are suddenly paying attention to a camera that hasn't even been announced yet. The most talked about leak centers on the sensor, with reports suggesting the Canon EOS R8 Mark II could move to a 32.5 megapixel full-frame chip instead of reusing what powered the original. What makes this interesting isn't just a resolution jump, it's that leakers claim Canon engineered this sensor to hold on to fast readout speeds, which usually gets sacrificed the moment you push megapixels higher. If that balance actually holds up, it would mean sharper stills without sacrificing burst performance or video quality. The Digic X processor is reportedly sticking around too, but apparently retuned underneath, which could translate into cleaner noise handling, quicker raw processing, and smarter subject recognition running through familiar hardware. Autofocus is where these leaks get genuinely exciting, since the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is rumored to be getting a meaningful upgrade in how it recognizes subjects. We're talking expanded detection for people, animals, birds, and even motorsports and aircraft, plus reportedly more reliable eye tracking in situations where older systems tend to lose lock. On top of that, buffer depth is said to be the real story here, not frame rate. That means shooters could reportedly hold high-speed bursts for noticeably longer stretches, which matters far more in real-world shooting than a slightly faster number on a spec sheet. On the video side, Canon isn't rumored to be chasing cinema camera territory with the Canon EOS R8 Mark II, and that seems intentional. Oversampled 4K is expected to carry over, but leaks suggest cleaner processing and steadier autofocus tracking while recording. Interestingly, features like open gate recording in 7K aren't expected to make the cut, which looks less like a limitation and more like Canon protecting its higher-tier R6 and R5 models. Behind the scenes, a redesigned cooling system is also rumored, which could allow for longer recording sessions before the dreaded overheating shutdown kicks in. Here's the leak generating the most buzz. In-body image stabilization is reportedly finally arriving on the Canon EOS R8 Mark II, something shooters have wanted since the original model launched without it. If true, that alone puts this camera in a much stronger position against rivals from Sony, Nikon, and Panasonic. Leaks also point to dual SD card slots replacing the single UHS 2 slot, which is a big deal for anyone shooting weddings or events where backup recording isn't optional. And then there's the design. Multiple reports suggest Canon is pulling inspiration from the legendary AE1 film camera, with cleaner lines, redesigned dials, and a more premium retro feel layered over modern ergonomics. Weather sealing is also rumored to improve, addressing one of the more common complaints about the original R8. Current speculation places the Canon EOS R8 Mark II somewhere between $1,399 and $1,599 for the body, keeping it in that aggressive entry-level full-frame bracket Canon has built its reputation on. Leaks and filings are pointing toward a Q4 2026 release, with several sources narrowing in on a September or October window. If even a portion of these leaks hold up, this could end up being one of the most significant full-frame releases of the year. Which rumor has you most interested? The stabilization, the new sensor, or that AE1-inspired redesign? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you want more leak coverage like this, and subscribe so you don't miss what comes next.